When we look at GDP, GDP is going to focus on the market value of all final goods and services produced within a country in a year. GDP is going to be a way of measuring our economy and what's going on. It'll be critical for us to look at GDP because that tells how the economy is actually doing. It's a matter of wealth. When we look at GDP per capita, that's taking GDP, dividing it by the population. You know, an economy's total output includes millions of different goods and services. Some goods are more valuable than others, so it's hard to just add up the quantities. GDP uses the market values to determine how much each good or service is worth, and then sums the total to find this amount. GDP is looking at intermediate goods. Intermediate goods are sold to firms and then bundled or processed with other goods for sales at a later date. You'll notice that we'll also look at finished goods. Finished goods are sold to the final user and then consumed or held in personal inventories. To avoid this double counting, we only try to focus on finished goods. They're included in GDP. The intermediates are included, but it was already calculated into the price. You also look at machinery and equipment. Those are also produced in GDP and has another challenge set for it. But those are key things that firms look at in terms of how they make decisions. Now here's a self-check that we want to look at. Which of the following is a finished good? A book in an Amazon inventory? Tires purchased by a Toyota plant? Tires purchased for you for your car? The answer would be C. Tires purchased by you as a finished good because they are for your own use, not for resale and for consumption. These are some of the concepts that we're looking at for this week. If you have any more questions, let me know.